Good morning. Welcome to India and Indian Travel Online. Friends, Himachal Pradesh, also known as Devbhumi, land of gods, is a paradise of natural lovers, adventure seekers, and pilgrimage travelers. With its snow capped mountains, lush valleys, serene lakes, and vibrant cultures, it offers something for everyone. The 7 to 10 days tour itinerary covers the most popular destinations like Shimla, Manali, Dharamsala, Dalhousie, Amritsar, and many more. Day 1 arrive in Shimla, the queen of hills. How to reach Shimla? From Delhi, 8 hours drive from Delhi, 350 km by road, or take a train to Kalka and then enjoy the scenic toy train ride. From Chandigarh, 3 to 4 hours journey, 113 km by road. Nearest airport, Joborhatti Airport, 23 kilometers from Shimla. Things to do in Shimla, Mall Road and Ridge. Enjoy a leisurely walk, shop for souvenirs and visit Christ Church. Jaku Temple, a famous Hanuman temples offering breathtaking view. Indian Institute of Advanced Study, a historical buildings with a colonial charm. Scandal Point, perfect for a photography. Stay overnight in Simla. Day 2, Aksar season to Kofri and local sightseeing. Kofri, 16 km from Simla, a small hill station known for the snow-covered slopes, yak ride, and adventure activities. Visit the Kofri Fun World and Himalaya Wildlife Zoo. Enjoy panoramic view of Phagu and Masurba. Return to Shimla, take a dinner and night stay at Shimla. Day 3, Shimla to Manali, 250 km, 7 to 8 hour journey by road. En route attractions, stop at Kullu Valley, famous for apple orchard and adventure activities like river rafting. Visit Pandodham and Hanogi Mata temples. Check in the hotels in Manali and take the relax. Evening in Manali, stroll around the Mall Road. Day 4, Manali local sightseeing tours. Hidimba Devi Temple, a famous wooden temple dedicated to gods. Hidimba Manu temples dedicated to Sage Manu located near Old Manali. Visit temples and hot springs, natural hot water spring believed to have medicinal properties. One Vihar Park, a peaceful park near the Beans rivers. Explore old Manali cafes for a relaxing evening and night stay. Day 5, Solang Valley and Rohtang Pass adventure activities. Solang Valley, 13 km from Manali, famous for paragliding, jorbing, skiing and ropeway rides. If Rohtang Pass is open May to October, enjoy a thrilling drive to the high altitude mountains pass. Experience snow activities like snowboarding and sledding. Return to Manali for a overnight stay. Day 6, Manali to Dharamsala, 220 kilometers. By road, 6 to 7 hour journey. Enjoy a scenic drive through Palampur Tea Gardens. Visit Bajnath Temple, one of the oldest Shiva temples in India. Arrive in Dharamsala and check in the hotels. Evening explorations, McLeodganj, a beautiful Tibetan town, home to Dalai Lama's residence. Visit the Namgyal Monastery and a Tibetan Museum. Try delicious Tibetan foods and cafe in the market. Night stay at the Dharamsala. Day 7, Dharamsala sightseeing and drive to Dalhousie. Bagsu waterfall and Bagsu Nag temples, a scenic spot with the holy temples. HPCA Cricket Stadium, one of the most picturesque stadium in the world. St. John's in the Wilderness Church, a charming old church amidst lush green sea. Drive to Dalhousie, 122 kilometers, 4-hour journey by road and check at the hotels. Day 8, explore Dalhousie and Khajiar, mini Switzerland of India. Subhas Bauli, a Syrian sports named after Subhas Chandra Bose. Panchpula, a beautiful waterfalls. Drive to Khajiar, 22 kilometers from Dalhousie, famous for its meadows, lakes and adventure activities. Visit Khaji Nag temples dedicated to the serpent god. Return to Dalhousie for a overnight stay. Day 9, Dalhousie to Amritsar. 200 kilometers, 5-hour drive and departures. If time permitted, visit Chamba town for its rich heritage. Proceed to Amritsar and visit Golden Temple, the holiest Sikh shrine. Jallianwala Bagh, a memory of the India freedom struggles. Wagah border, witness the grand flag lowering ceremonies at the Indo-Pak borders. Return journey from Amritsar to your home city. Friend, best time to visit Himachal Pradesh in summer, April to June, ideal for a sightseeing, trekking and adventure sports. Monsoon time, July to September, loose green sea but landslide prone areas. Winter, October to February, perfect for snow lovers and honeymoon couples. Friends, travel tips for Himachal Pradesh. Carry warm clothes evening in summer, even in summertime. Book hotels and permits in advance, especially for Rohtang Pass. Use local taxis or buses for better road access. Respect local cultures and avoid littering. Friends, this is 9-day tour plan covers the best of Himachal Pradesh, ensuring a mix of adventure, pilgrimage, naturals and leisure. Friends, this is best for solo travels, couples or families. This itinerary offers the perfect blend of experiences. Friends, if you want any information about Himachal tour packages, please call to Indian Travel Online. He explains very well and also give the best offers. Please share and like this video. Thanks, welcome and goodbye.